Many students ask me how to become fluent in English. Where should we start? What should we learn? So here are some simple tricks and steps which you can follow and it will help you to improve your English. So let's get started today's class. If you really want to improve your English, so firstly, I will give only 4 steps to learn English. First is observing. Before learning any language, just start observing. If you can observe other people, then you can easily understand that how can you start. So firstly, just start listening, because when you are listening anything, then it will help you to improve your focus. Second thing which you can use to improve your English is start reading. When you read something, you will see that how much you are learning and how much words you are learning each day. So if you don't know what to read, how to read, just go and watch lot of content on YouTube and see the comment sections. And if you don't know and if you stuck on that, just go and see what are the meaning of those words which are in the comments. And if you will do these practice every day, you will see that how much you are improving yourself. So today, when a student was asking me that how to improve my English and where should I start, I would say only one thing. If you are beginner, so start with simple sentences and simple rules of sentences. If you are on intermediate level, just watch lot of content and record your voice every day. Just listen it. You will see that every day, if you will do this again and again, you will see that how much you are improving daily. If you are giving your 30 minutes every day, it is enough, because it will take time, but one day you will become confident and you will become fluent in English. So do work hard. If you want to improve your English in within a year, then you should know that there is not any shortcut of learning any language. I'm also learning French, and the simple tricks which I am following, you can also follow to learn English. Because when we learn anything, we should enjoy it. If you are not enjoying if you are not enjoying this learning process, you will not learn fastly. So if you want to learn fastly, you should enjoy it. The third step is watch lot of cartoon on YouTube, because there are a lot of cartoons on YouTube which are primarily made for the kids, and the language is simple, easy. You can understand easily. So if you are watching any cartoon and you are not getting interested in that, then it's okay. Watch something other, whatever you like. Not like that, watch any podcast. And if you are watching that podcast, just listen it carefully, and whatever you are listening, something new word, just note it down. And if you are learning an expression, just note it down and use in your daily life. If you will do these steps, then you will definitely become fluent one day. So start from simple and easy structure of the sentences. Many students are struggling to speak fluently, and I have noticed many students know how to speak and they can also understand whatever others saying, but the problem is when it comes to speak, they get stuck. If you have the same problem, then nothing will work you until or unless you speak. Just go in front of camera of your phone and start recording yourself, and each day just observe yourself, and you will do these things regularly. You will definitely see the change. By these simple steps, you can easily understand whatever you want to learn. If you want to learn any language in the world, you can learn. I would say again that you should enjoy the process of learning, because this is not a miracle which will change your English. So it will take time, but one day you will speak. I have noticed one thing. Many people associate English to their intelligence, but I would say English is just a language, not an intelligence. So first thing, if someone laughs at you, then let them laugh, because they are not making fun of you, they are making fun of themselves, because they do not know still that how to speak. So if you get stuck whenever someone making fun of you, to, so don't stuck and don't stop. Don't feel shy while speaking, because you are in learning process and you will make mistake, that is okay. Don't get shy and don't be afraid of mistakes, because whenever you will when you mistake, you will learn. When you are watching something on YouTube, just go and comment, because when you comment, you will see your writing habit is building. And if you are not commenting, then just go in and take a diary, just note it down, whatever you like. If you want to write any journal, you can write. If you want to write your daily routine, you can write. So just write, listen, read, write every day. You will see that how much you are improving. So these are some simple and important steps which you can learn. If you like this video, then do like, subscribe and share.